When people drive by our house, I guess if they keep their eyes open, keep their eyes peeled, they might notice different cars, and in the middle of them, a Model A going on 100 years ago, almost 100 years of age. This is pretty remarkable, and I am just always amazed at God's provision. You know, we're just blessed in our lives for so many answers to prayer, so many blessings that our parents prayed for us and helped us. We certainly are grateful beneficiaries of their prayers, recipients of their blessings. So anyhow, I'm always grateful that we have a house. I'm grateful for our cars, and then this wonderful heritage from my husband's father, my father-in-law, and just that he shared passion for design and innovation and engineering and automobiles, and it's really a passion for helping people to improve their lives. So yeah, so as you drive by, you'll see one of these things is not like the other. One of these things kind of stands out. So, and there's the man, Guitar Zan. Not under the van, but under the Model A, 1929.